Cardamom essential oil is a highly valued and versatile oil that is derived from the seeds of the cardamom plant. It has a warm, spicy, and slightly sweet aroma that is commonly used in cooking and baking as a flavoring agent. In addition to its culinary uses, cardamom essential oil is also popular for its potential health benefits. It may help promote clear breathing and respiratory function, support digestion and gastrointestinal health, and even have a calming effect on the mind and body. When used topically, cardamom essential oil may help promote healthy-looking skin, especially when used in conjunction with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. It can also be added to massage oils to help relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation. Overall, doTERRA. Cardamom essential oil is a versatile and highly valued oil that can be used in a variety of ways to support overall health and wellness.